Good evening, I'm Jerry Smith, and this is Blink News TV. Our top story tonight: the Reserve Bank of New Zealand is set to mark a full year of unchanged monetary policy as it prepares to review the official cash rate tomorrow. All indications point to the Reserve Bank holding the official cash rate OCR steady at 5.5%. This would continue a trend since May 2023, when the bank last adjusted the rate. Since then, the bank has adopted a watch, wait, and worrying stance, according to Governor Adrian Orr, with the hope of bringing headline inflation back within its target range. Inflation, as measured by the Consumer Price Index (CPI), was 6.7% at the beginning of last year and has been gradually decreasing each quarter, now sitting at 4%. While this downward trend is promising, concerns remain about domestic inflation components. Economist Viv Hall, a former Reserve Bank director and Emeritus Professor at Victoria University of Wellington, expressed these concerns. "We're making solid progress in reducing inflation, but the non-tradeables component remains stubbornly high. This is crucial for the bank when setting the OCR," Hall told AP. Non-tradable inflation, which includes goods and services that are not internationally traded, was recorded at 5.8% in the March quarter, slightly down from 5.9% in the December 2023 quarter. Previous quarters saw even higher rates, indicating a slow decline. Given these conditions, the RBNZ is unlikely to reduce the OCR soon. The bank's projections suggest a potential cut in the latter half of 2025, though some banks, like ANZ and Westpac, forecast an earlier adjustment in early 2025. The next critical data point, the CPI, is due next week, making this week's review somewhat poorly timed, according to Hall. Hall predicts that the OCR will still be around 5% by this time in 2025, setting the stage for a robust economic recovery. In GDP terms, we are hovering just above or below zero each quarter, Hall noted. This situation mirrors the early 1990s when GDP was similarly flat, a necessary phase to control inflation. Once inflation was tamed, the economy experienced a prolonged upswing. That's all for now on the economic front. Stay tuned for more updates throughout the evening. I'm Jerry Smith, and you're watching Blink News TV.